I'm getting a new car tomorrow, possibly my new drift car, so stay tuned. Okay, Dino. I bought a car and it's just getting delivered. Here it is, another S15. My new, hey, kitty, don't be scratching my tire. You can scratch my tires, not the body though. Thank you for watching my car, kitty. Anyways, here's the newest S15. So last S15 I got, I already sold it to customer. It was NA 5 speed, but this one is turbo 6 speed. Pretty much a spec R, and this was never drifted. It doesn't even have a diff, nothing supporting mods, just front mount intercooler and exhaust, that's it. I'm thinking of making this my second drift car, but long ways to go. Gotta get arms, gotta get a little bit more power, diff, bucket seats, gauges. What you think? Huh? What you think? What you think about this car? Yeah, we're busy all day. I'm having Koji help me today. We were working on this thing all morning. We swapped the tension rod to this orange one. It's adjustable, and I'm not rubbing anymore. Adjust the height and camber a little bit. So she's ready, and we're about to change wheels. So I had this TE laying around. It's brand new, never used it. It was just sitting in the box at the land. Finally put tires on. Some tires I had at the land, some old tires, but works. Gonna throw it on this, lower it a little bit. Having Koji, it's hot as fuck today. Super hot. We're just sweating balls around here. Alright, we're gonna lower like inch, half inch. This thing's done, and I just painted this roll cage for my buddy. S13 7-point roll cage. I gonna spray clear tonight. Yeah, it's hot today. I'm thinking about getting new front and rear bumper. Side skirt's cool, so I'm probably rear wing. Yeah, let's get rid of this Origin Labo wheels. Put this real. I'm just gonna do transition right here. T's on. Car looks really good. Lower tab bit, and T does make your car look better. Crest back to the yard. Getting bucket seat out of my S15. This thing is coming along little by little, and I think I'm all done with the fitment and all suspension stuff. I just need to paint this. After I paint it, this will be for sale. I need to get more S15s and 34s. This is the... I only have 2 Toyotas now. This and Mark II. And everything will be Nissan. Nissan. This is the only Toyota. Got the bucket seat out. Let's install it on my silver one. About to swap this seat. I have this old beat up Recaros, uncomfy. So let's swap it. Boom. Recaro bucket seats in. This seat's super clean though. It's like brand new. Not digging this blue steering wheel, but I might have something. But red seat's the way to go. Just found this Nardi installed, way better than whatever I had. Driver seats all dialed in. Do you wanna? Should we go Daikoku? Alright. Are we taking your car too? Okay. Looks like we're gonna take my S15 and her 34 to Daikoku. Yeah? Okay. See you guys at Daikoku. Time has come. Lina's going in her 34 and we're gonna both cruise to Daikoku. Hi. 気をつけてね。I'll see you at Daikoku. Alright, let's go. Silver cars on bronze T crew. Gang, gang. Got my Gucci flips on. Just kidding. Alright, let's go. Here at Daikoku and already see some cool cars here. Getting packed. Quite a bit cool cars all over the place. Lino's doing filming for her YouTube. Check her YouTube page right here. She's been filming and making and editing her video too. Check this out, guys. Damn, this is so sick. Skyline. This owner asked her if she can model for this car. 恥ずかしい。This man wanna take a picture of his car with the Lino in. はい、モデルになってください。
よかった、兄弟国来て。7000枚くらい取りますけど大丈夫ですか
？7000枚。And Lino is just modeling for this man in front of the Hakosuka. Okay, Lino. She's being shy. This is epic. Real Hakosuka GTRs here. 300 grand. Moving 300 grand. Wow. You won't see this in US. Real GTR Hakosuka. いい音。いい匂いです。He popped the hood. Crazy. so clean. That's crazy. 50 years old car and this clean. We are here at Daikoku. Banana stamp, pink
Yeah.
with a bright red laurel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is actually my wife's car.
This is your wife's
My
car?
wife's car.
Gangster.
This is a pick her up from the train station here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Looks like it's full drift car.
Yeah. It is.
Another one. Focus. Focus. Nighttime doesn't focus and zoom in. Clean stage, yeah? Bro, this 15 so clean. Vortex Arrow, I believe. Then this makes me wanna get this kit. This is so good. This kit, so clean. Same. I never seen this motor. Any of you guys seen this? 20 valve. Looks like 5 cylinders. This is crazy. And he said this is BMW splitter and BMW fog light. He does some custom. So much stuff. And this is from some other car, Mugen. I don't know much about Hondas, but this is so sick. So sick. One of the kind for sure. From far away, this headlight looked like S13 bricks. But from far away, I thought this was S13 for a sec. So good though. It was fun night at Daikoku. Met a lot of people. Saw a lot of cool cars. Just got home. Little past 12:30 now. And Lena went to bed. I'm about to. Earlier, I was painting this black. This is my buddy's S13 roll cage. I'm just painting it for him. About to spray some clears and go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was a busy day for me. Worked all day and went Daikoku. Finishing up the day with painting roll cage. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.